Alright, so we're getting into position here as if we're just about to do a sit-up, but we're going to be getting into some heel touchers. So you're going to be transitioning, shoulder blades off the ground, left, touch your left heel, touch your right. And we're keeping those shoulder blades off the ground the entire time as we activate those obliques. I want nice and slow and under control, nice tempo here, so that we can keep those muscles activated. I prefer slow and under control over fast, speedy repetitions and have poor form. Good. Resting, coming down here. The next exercise actually we got is flutter kicks. So we're gonna bring those feet up and we're just gonna start kicking those up here. My hands are just here to act as a counterbalance to help me stay up, pivoted off my butt, trying to keep my back as straight as possible. And we're kicking our feet about a 12-inch or 1 foot radius here, or sorry, distance. And good, coming back down. And we're gonna be getting some angled crunches. We're gonna aim for the left knee first, and then the right knee second. Just a crunch, so you just need to get those shoulder blades off of the ground. Always breathing. Never just pulling your head here while you're doing these. My hands are just there to help me aim where I'm going with the crunch. Next, we're gonna be getting into some Russian twists. So feet are gonna be planted, we're gonna lean back and then twist. I don't want you to just touch here, I want you to rotate the trunk. This is how we're gonna most effectively target the core here. Breathing, we're gonna get into reverse crunches next. And good. Hitting the deck, flat down. You're gonna bring those knees towards the chest. And this one's great for those lower abdominals here. And if you wanna make it even more difficult, you can prevent those heels from touching the ground. Ooh. 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 And good. Coming up. Next, we're going to be getting into just some traditional crunches here. So feet up, just bringing those shoulder blades off the ground. Focus on keeping your gaze straight above you, directly to the ceiling. Keep that chin off the chest. Slow and under control, and this will be the last exercise of the first round, and we're going to go through it once more. And good. Next exercise was the heel touchers. Stay in the same position. We're going to start, reach over to the left, and then the right heel. Core is engaged the entire time, shoulder blades off the ground. This is the one that's going to burn. Good. Flutter kicks next. These lower abdominals are burning. Slow and under control here. Good, 3 more seconds. 2, 1. Oh, good. Coming back down, we got the cross crunch. To the left and then to the right. Getting the shoulders off of the ground. Next we've got Russian twists. Rotating the trunk, remember, not just the hands here. Reverse crunches after this, 2 more exercises. Oh, good. Hitting the deck. Remember, increase the intensity, keep the feet off the ground the entire time. Towards the chest and back out. One more exercise after this, keep pushing. And good. Last last exercise, the crunches. Chin off the chest. Shoulder blades, get them off the ground. Contracting that core. Don't want you using those arms to help you get up. All abdominals. And there we are. That concludes today's at-home abdominal six-pack workout. My core is toast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, I want to make mention, I have got an at-home training program. It requires absolutely zero equipment. We got core workouts, we got tons of fat burning workouts. There's upper body workouts, lower body workouts. So if you're interested in that, then be sure to click the link in the description. It should be called something along the lines of home training program. You guys are absolutely gonna love it. It's all exclusive videos that you can't find on my YouTube channel. Full length, I'm talking like 26, 27, 28 minute long videos. You guys are gonna love them. The people in the program already love it. So take a look down below by clicking the link in the description. Learn a little bit more about the program. Other than that, guys, if you did enjoy the video, then be sure to give your boy a like down below, and also be sure to subscribe for weekly workout tips and nutrition tips that you will not want to miss. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I'll see you in the next video.